Morning. I suppose a lot of you have noticed that I've been kind of missing in action for a week or so, maybe a little longer, other than the review I put up. And a lot of that's because of the holidays, and spent some time with family and had a pretty good time. And the other thing is I've got arthritis in my foot. They call it gout. And my big toes, like, all swollen up and red. What it is you get crystals that form from uric acid in your toe. And it's painful, let me tell you what. So the attack lasts 5, 7 days, 9 days, and it goes away and I'm back to normal. And about a year later, 2 years later, it happens again. So it's basically in control, but a real pain in the butt when it erupts. And I've been real busy in the store. And since these guys came in, that's been keeping me pretty busy too. But the Manicore is now shipping, and that's made a lot of customers happy that prepaid. So they're able to get their machines. They're going to be being shipped off on Monday. And I don't know, we're doing pretty good and getting ready to do some camping, but we're getting a lot of rain, and that's really screwing things up a little bit for us here. And it's awful muddy to try to get the camper out in the desert. So we took a little break from that too, but we're hoping to get out maybe next week. And I'm not sure exactly where we're going to go yet. Maybe close to here. We're still testing out our new system. A lot of things have happened. We've got the Starlink system, as many of you know now, and that is really cool. It works really well. And we picked up a couple more solar panels. So we got 300 watts of solar power that we're using, and that keeps up with the batteries pretty good here at home. And well, actually really good, and keeps them charged and topped off. And we're still able to run the Starlink and anything else we want to run in the camper, except for, you know, the microwave and AC. For that, we got to fire up the generator. But other than that, we're pretty self-sufficient right now. And I got that new power station, which is really cool, that we can tote around with us now when we go out in the boondocks, and also on the buggy. And getting broke down is really bad out here in the desert, and it's nice having that darn podium power station. I can actually jump the buggy or do whatever I need to do, run power tools, all kinds of stuff now, which is really cool. And I plan on getting back at it real soon, my friends. And it's just been, oh, one of those Christmases. A lot of stuff going on. This is New Year's Eve that I'm doing this video for you. And bear with me and we'll get some stuff going on here. And if nothing else, I'm going to do a couple sit-down chats, and we'll go over some stuff. And a lot of changes have happened here in Morristown too. It's just unbelievable, the amount of activity now. And there's a huge theme park going up in Wickenburg, right back in one of my favorite gold hunting areas on Constellation Road. And things are just growing so fast. A new road out here through the new mine road that's been widened, and new mining up there, the luxury gold mine setup going on. Up front here, that old 2-story bar you've seen me hunting in a lot of my videos for coins and relics is getting restored right now. They're putting in RV sites, and the whole bit up there is just, all of a sudden, this little town of Morristown is just going boom. And, you know, things are changing. Like I said, sometimes change is a little spooky, but it happens. And we're no longer out here in the middle of nowhere. It's become a lot of traffic, a lot of people, a lot of things going on, a lot of new homes being built. Yep. And for so long, this was just kind of ignored in just a little corner of Arizona where not a lot of people went. That's all changed now. So for now, my friends, I'm going to let this video go. It's just kind of an update. Like I said, we'll be back. No worries. We're just trying to get all our ducks in a row and get my foot healed up, and we're going to get out there and get after the gold again. And by then I may have a Manicore, and I'll do some videos on that. Why don't I have one now? I have prepaid customers, and I just consider it wrong to grab one for myself when I have customers that have paid and waiting for these machines. So as I get them in, until I get all my prepays caught up and my back orders, I won't have one. As soon as those are caught up, I'll be playing with one. I'm really excited to get my hands on one and use it. So it'll be going out for gold with the GPX and the Gold Monster for now, and we might get out here out front. We've got permission to hunt now. They've cleared all that off by the bar, so I might get out there and see if we can't find a couple relics and some cool stuff before they close that all down and we can't go in there anymore. So anyway, like, subscribe, ring that bell, and we'll be back in action soon. Nugget Shooter out.